Today I'm going to show you how to make tortillas chicken wraps, so let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon yogurt, 2 cardamoms, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, some sea salt, 2 teaspoon vinegar, and lemon juice. Add boneless chicken pieces. And coat nicely. Olive oil and chili flakes, and marinate the chicken for 2 hours. Add oil over medium heat and cook the chicken until the color turns brown. Meanwhile, to make the garlic paste in a food processor, add garlic with little bit of salt. Scrape down the sides if you see the garlic building up on the sides. Then add oil, lemon juice, yogurt, cream cheese, and mayonnaise. And it's done. The garlic sauce should become light, fluffy, and creamy. Chicken is almost done. Take tortillas and add the filling over it. Neatly wrap tortillas. Heat grill pan over medium heat and brush with little bit of oil. Then grill tortilla wraps on both sides. Hope you guys like it. Share this recipe with your family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.